Today is Liam and we to remind you to watch out for bears and other terrestrial organisms, but first we're going to teach you another micro-cooking. Weed and I don't know every micro-cooking recipe, so we brought in an expert who knows a recipe we don't. It's Burke. Today we're going to teach you how to cook hats. Cooking hats involves a lot of skill. Just watch Burke. He's cooking one right now. Since I don't have an oven to cook in, we're gonna fax weed these recipes now that Burke has written them out for me.
Oh boy, a fax from Liam. What could it be?